What is up, everybody? My name is Adam and welcome back to Street Brawlers Tuner. We just made it to Autobacs Shinonome. It says it's called a PIT Autobox, which is weird because I thought I was going to Super Autobox in Odaiba, and I was kind of tripping like, oh, did I go to the right place? But what's inside is pretty cool, I can see from here, so we'll go check it out.
Demonstration. Dusters. Look at this. We got absolutely everything in here. We got jump starters, paint pens. So a lot of stuff that you see at home, but it's just a lot bigger selection and variety here. Lots of door edge guards and such. Over here we got the classic symbol of JDM. This is basically just like a new driver's symbol, so here it's probably pretty stupid having it on your car, but at home it's for show. So I'm gonna grab a magnet just to throw on for car shows when I get back to Vancouver. Got some VIP curtains there. Stickers, all dress up kind of stuff. And then we got all our pedals and our shift knobs. Razzo seems like it's a pretty big brand here. We got Japanese turbo whistles, valve stem caps and all that good stuff. And then here we got rear wiper bolt caps when you remove your wipers. That's kind of cool. Cleans that up if you decide you don't want a rear wiper, but in Vancouver it rains a lot, so I'm gonna keep mine. Big boy coilovers here, HKS, Teen, Blitz. Pick and choose, baby, pick and choose. So all the performance stuff is upstairs, as you can see. Super sick. We got Blitz and HKS rad caps. All the carbon fiber trim. Jays make some pretty crazy stuff. One day we'll grab that wheel. Today is not that day. But looks like some pretty sweet shift knobs over here. Might have to grab this Jay's racing knob. It's kind of expensive, but it's made in Japan. Looks sick, and it's Jay's. Like, come on. These stickers are gonna end my life and take all my money. Come on. I'm hurting right now because I want to buy all this stuff, but I also need to buy car parts, so it's a battle. And we made it to the seat section. God damn. Oh, look at the wheels.
So guys, this has been Autobox. That wraps up our shopping experience in Japan. So if you guys liked seeing those two shops, leave a like, comment down below what kind of one you liked better and which one you've seen or are going to see. And for much more content in the future and these parts going back onto my car at home, press subscribe and I'll see you guys later.